Hey guys, listen. I made this video for my YouTube channel and I post it after. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. Again, the secret of getting ahead is getting started. Gawin mo lang yung mga bagay na gusto mo. Kung ano yung bagay na gusto mo, simulan mo. Sabi nga ni Sun Tzu, The Art of War, if you build in silence, if you build in silence, people don't know what to attack. If you build in silence, people don't know what to attack. So, gawin mo lang ng tahimik. Let your actions speak for you. Let your results speak for you. Let your success speak for you. Hirap niyan guys kapag walang naniniwala sa iyo. Pero okay lang yan guys kapag naniniwala ka naman sa sarili mo. Panalo ka na dun. Because the loudest moves are the ones made in silence. Again, the loudest moves are the ones made in silence. Hindi mo naman kailangan ipagsabi guys kung ano yung ginagawa mo. Hindi mo naman kailangan i-broadcast na ganito yung ginagawa ko. Okay na yung tahimik lang. So, yun lang guys. Salamat sa pagtanaw. Bye.